Alright guys, so today, if you use this sound right here, I am going to comment on your video, and if you make a cool edit of me, of any of my videos, then I'll give this footage to you so you can make an edit, and I'll subscribe to you too, and like to your video. So here.